In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to make your voice sound deeper in Adobe Audition. By the end of this video, you'll know how to adjust the pitch of your voice to create a deeper sound, and I'll also show you how to make it higher if needed. First, make sure you have Adobe Audition open and that your audio file is already imported. Once your file is ready, drag it onto the timeline. Now, highlight the section of the audio where you want to adjust the pitch. Let's give it a quick listen to hear the original sound before making any changes. This is a voice sample for Adobe Audition. Next, head over to the Effects panel. In the Effects panel, find the section labeled Time and Pitch. Click on that and then select Pitch Shifter. This is the tool that will allow us to adjust the depth of the voice. Now, in the Pitch Shifter settings, look for the option called Semitones. To make your voice deeper, reduce the semitones to about -4. Once you've done that, click Apply. Let's listen to the result now and hear how the voice has changed.
This is a voice sample for Adobe Audition.
If you want to make the voice higher instead of deeper, you can go back to the time and pitch settings. This time, increase the semitones by around 5 to make the voice sound higher. Once again, click Apply, and you can preview how that sounds. This is a voice sample for Adobe Audition, and that's it. You've now learned how to change the pitch of your voice in Adobe Audition, whether you want to make it deeper or higher.